Alright, so a couple of weeks ago, during the wee hours of the night, I've had some hogs come in and destroy my property. As you can see behind me here, they devastated my yard. So this is all torn up here. This entire area all the way up to my garden, completely excavated. I mean, they did a nice job. So I got the side of my house, the front of my house here. Let me show you the back. Alright, you can see here where I got my chicken tractor. They destroyed this whole area. I don't know if you can see it that well on video here, but it's about, I don't know, 6 inches or so deep, and mounds of just grass and dirt. You can't ride my riding lawnmower on here. It just won't do it. I'll be hitting dirt and stuff. It'd be a mess. I'll be able to brush hog it, but it's kind of tight maneuvering in here, you know. But I'll be able to do it. They went all the way up to the chicken tractor, and they probably got zapped because I got that electric wire going around it. But you know what? Let me show you. You have to be very careful what you feed your chickens if you have a chicken tractor and you move it around. Let me show you why. Alright, so here's my chicken tractor. And from the last time I moved it here, so it was sitting here and I moved it forward. And voila, what do I have growing here? I have tomatillos. Tons of them. All the stuff you see here is all tomatillos. And right next to it here, I also have a tomato plant growing. And also watermelon. So the tomatillos came from, I had some horse manure delivered so I can use it in my garden. And the pile of horse manure started growing all this stuff here. I didn't know what it was. I knew it was some kind of a nightshade. I just didn't know what kind. And I pulled all, it was full of tomatillos. And I ended up feeding them to the chickens. Ooh, what a mistake that is. So now I have this to deal with, but I'm just going to pull them all out and refeed them to the chickens again. But yeah, be careful what you feed your chickens if you're moving them in a chicken tractor, because you're planting seeds everywhere. So that's what's been going on here. Is the hogs have been tearing up my yard. I don't know how else to deter them from coming here. I mean, I got an AR-15, I can shoot them, but shooting an AR-15 at 2-3 o'clock in the morning, if I'm even up at that time to see them, man, I mean, that echoes for miles. That's loud if you've shot an AR-15 before. And plus, I don't want to have to deal with disposing the nasty pigs anyways. So if you guys know of a way where I can set something up to deter them, scare them away, let me know. That would be very helpful. So, I mean, other than that, there's not much been going on here. The weather's been fantastic. We had a few cold days, 60s, not too bad. Cool days, we'll just say, not cold. There's some work I got to do around here. I got some branches and dead trees and stuff to move around, and there's some work to do around here. All right, so I'm going around my property and I'm picking up wood and branches and stuff, and I find these deer antlers. Well, one. I'm gonna see if my dogs enjoy them. Toby, Mia, come here. Look, look what I got. Look at this. Oh yeah. You want this? Is this what you want? Huh? Who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it? Ready? 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 Get it, get it, get it. Over here, dummy. Oh, now you can't tell. It looks like a stick, doesn't it? Yeah. Look what I found. Look, oh, look what I found. Ready, 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 ready. Bring the toy here, Tobe. Yeah, it's a good boy. Over here, come on. Oh, Toby got it. Toby got the toy. It looks like Toby's enjoying it now. Is Toby enjoying the toy? Yeah, the bone? Oh, I guess so. It's my bone, he's telling her. You like your bone, Tobe? Uh-oh, go get him. Go get him. Kill. Kill. Uh-oh. Well, guys, that's it. This is much, much cleaner. You probably thought you were waiting for me to cut this tree down with the brush hog. But I kind of take a liking to it. I think it's going to look nice here as it grows. So I've just decided to leave it. So yeah, there was just a bunch of old trees, branches, all from around the property, and I've thrown them over here. And I used to tell myself, well, one day I'll take care of them. Well, I guess that day came after, what, 3 years? But it's nice. All the wood that was here, it was all rotten anyways. I got it and I pushed it all into the woods. I'll let nature take its course in there. and let it finish the rotting process. If you guys can figure out what I can do about these hogs, some kind of deterrent, I was thinking either, besides shooting them, because I don't want to have to dispose of the carcass, some kind of electric wire fence maybe, I don't know, stuffed dogs around the property. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, and hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.